This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix mobile data not working in FIFA Mobile issue on iPhone. Follow these simple steps to fix FIFA Mobile network not working issue. The first solution is check your internet connection. Open a browser and open a website. If the website working properly, it means doesn't any issue. Then open your control center, enable airplane mode for 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds disable airplane mode and switch your internet between Wi-Fi to cellular or cellular to Wi-Fi, and then check the issue. And the next solution is go to your iPhone settings. Tap on mobile data or cellular data. Tap on mobile data options. Tap on voice and data. If your SIM card supports 5G, you have to select 5G. Or if your SIM card supports 4G, then select 4G. Then tap on back. Again tap on back. And now tap on network selection. And make sure to enable here automatic. Then tap on back and tap on mobile data network. Tap on reset settings. Reset. Once done, check the issue, and the next solution is reset all settings. Open your iPhone settings. Tap on general. Scroll down. Tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Tap on reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.